How's it going, everyone? We all love to shoot guns, but how many of you can truly say you love to clean your gun? Well, if you clean your booty hole like you clean your gun, you better go get it and clean it again right now because I can smell you from here. Today, we're going to be looking at something that'll help you get your firearm squeaky clean, but I can't help you at all about your chocolate donut hole. So, let's dive right in and take a look. With so many tools and such a nice bag, I have really high hopes for this kit. I am a little skeptical about using the cables though, but who knows, maybe that's the way you're supposed to do it. With an innovative patch system, it seems like you can get more swipes per patch, and in the long run, that may end up saving you money. I'll be trying this kit on a variety of different calibers, and after a few cleanings, I'll be able to give you a recommendation if I actually like it or not. Let me know on your thoughts if you have this kit and how do you like it, and how do you think it'll perform if you don't. If you actually do clean your guns, let me know what your preferred cleaning setup is. Thanks for checking this kit out with me, and make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.